Setting up automation is also very easy in Beehiiv. So in your dashboard, under right, click on automation and click on new automation. Give it a name, description and save. So you will be taken into a workflow and it may look complicated, but it's very easy. Just add a trigger, click on add trigger, then add in your trigger. So a trigger can be many things. It can be a sign in, it can be a poll response, it can be email submission. So just select a trigger. I will select signed up. Now make sure to activate it. Just click on configure step and make sure to activate it and just toggle on the activate switch and confirm. Save it and your trigger will be activated. Now click on the plus icon and select send email. Now just go on configure step and click on create new email. Fill in your subject line, your preview text and just write in your email. You can preview your written email. So this will be the email that will be sent to your subscriber when he sign up. Make sure to go to configure step and then toggle on the activate switch. Now click on the plus icon and you can add another email if you want. So if you want a particular time delay between two emails, just click on the plus icon between the two emails and under delays, select wait until. Click on save and don't forget to toggle on activate. Click on confirm and your delay will be added in the automation. So it's just that easy to add automation in Beehiiv.